Hello everyone, welcome to Science Classes, and today we will discuss a very important and a very good topic, that is food and health. What we should eat, what we should avoid, which type of food we should take. So as everybody knows that health is wealth, and we should take proper care of our body, and especially nowadays in this corona time when the immunity level is decreasing day by day, so we should eat healthy to remain fit and fine. So which type of food items we should take, हमें किस तरह का खाना खाना चाहिए, what are the nutrients which are present in the food. So first of all children, food, हमारे खाने में there are lots of nutrients. So we should eat nutritive diet. So what are the nutrients which are present in the food item, that we should know. So what is the function of nutrients? For nutrients का क्या काम है? It helps us to grow. It repairs the worn out tissues. It helps in the development of the body, and it also keeps our body healthy. Healthy का मतलब मोटा नहीं होता है. Healthy means physical and mental well-being. आपका body भी ठीक रहे और आपका brain भी proper condition में रहे. So first of all, you should know what we should eat the most. सबसे ज़्यादा क्या खाना चाहिए? What we should eat? Maximum, eat the most. So for that, we should eat cereals. जितनी भी अनाज होते हैं वो maximum खाना चाहिए. अनाज, it can be chapati, it can be rice, jaw, bajra, or any type of cereal. And what you should eat the least, सबसे ज़्यादा कम क्या खाना चाहिए? That is fats, sugar and salt. बहुत ज़्यादा तली चीज़ें नहीं. Maximum amount of sugar, no, please avoid it. And raw salt, कच्चा नमक नहीं खाना है. किसी भी चीज़ में ऊपर से नमक डालकर बिल्कुल नहीं खाना. That is very bad for the bones. So maximum we should eat cereals, and least we should eat fatty substances, sugar and salt, and we should eat fruits and green vegetables every day. Then milk and its product and pulses we should eat moderately. So we will talk about first about the nutrients, types of nutrients. So there are 5 types of nutrient. These 5 petals I have drawn for you. These are the nutrients. And first, carbohydrate. Okay. Second, if you write here, fat. Third one is protein. Next is vitamins. And the last one is minerals. Okay. So there are 5 nutrients in our body, in the food items which we should eat to be healthy. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Okay. Now, what is the function of carbohydrate? Now this carbohydrate and this fat, C and F, carbohydrates and fats, these are the energy giving food. It gives you energy. तो carbohydrate जितनी भी मीठी चीज़ें होती हैं, it can be sweets, it can be rice, it can be chapatis, that contains carbohydrates. And fats, all the oily substances, even milk, the non-vegetarian food items, it contain fats. So they both gives us energy. But children, आपको एक चीज याद रखना होगा that suppose you are eating 1 gram of carbohydrate. 1 gram of carbohydrate gives you 4 kilocalories and 1 gram of fat gives you 9 kilocalories. मतलब अगर आप 1 ग्राम चीनी खाते हैं, ग्लूकोज खाते हैं, it will give you 4 kilocalories. And if you are eating 1 gram of fat, अगर आप 1 ग्राम बटर खाते हैं तो उसमें आपको 9 kilocalories मिलता है. So it means fat is giving you more energy in comparison to carbohydrate. But you must know that in any sort of race, जब कोई भी रेस होता है, in that after the race is complete, the participant is given 1 glass of glucose, not 1 glass of fatty substances. Why? तो आप बोलेंगे फैट तो ज़्यादा एनर्जी दे रहा है, बट कार्बोहाइड्रेट क्यों दिया जाता है? बिकॉज कार्बोहाइड्रेट गिव्स अस इंस्टिंक्ट एनर्जी, तुरंत एनर्जी देता है कार्बोहाइड्रेट, और फैट्स ज़्यादा एनर्जी तो देता है बट it takes a lot of time to digest, and after the digestion then we get the energy. So carbohydrate and fats, these are the energy giving food. Next, when we talk about protein, if you talk about proteins are the body building food. It is the body building food, very very important for the small kids of class 3, 4, 5 till class 10th, because it helps in the growth and development of the body. It helps to repair the wound out tissue. Means अगर आप गिर गए, आपको चोट लग गई, तो प्रोटीन आपके घाव को भरने में बहुत important रोल प्ले करता है. It helps to repair the wound out tissue. Okay, so proteins helps in the body building, आपके growth में, आपकी height को बढ़ाता है, आपके घाव को भरता है. So protein is very important. Next, when we talk about minerals and vitamins, again they are very very important, no doubt. If you write here vitamins plus minerals, they are said to be protective food. Protective food means what? It protects your body against any sort of infections. आपके शरीर में कोई भी इन्फेक्शन होता है तो उससे vitamins and minerals आपको बचाते हैं. So from where do we get vitamins and minerals? From fruits and vegetables. So we should eat 1 fruit every day, and in vegetable, green leafy vegetable is very important because this vitamins and minerals, it helps in the protection of our body. So if you see here, carbohydrates and fats, energy giving food, proteins, body building, and vitamins and minerals are the protective food items. So if we are taking all these things in a proper appropriate amount, it means we are taking a balanced diet. Balanced diet. And milk, children, milk is said to be a balanced meal in which carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals all are present. Okay, so when we talk about health, to remain healthy we should eat all these nutrients. So what is health? When you are taking a balanced diet, you are taking proper rest, your body is clean, means you are taking good care of your body, your surrounding is clean, and you are doing exercise and yoga every day. So when you are doing all these things, you will remain healthy. Okay, and health ka just opposite hai disease. If you write here, dis-ease, DISEASE. Ease means easy. Dis का मतलब खत्म हो जाना. When the ease of the body is finished, you suffer from disease. Means when there is any abnormality or any sort of defect in your body, then, or you can say when the ease of the body is disturbed, then we suffer from lots of disease. Okay, so in the next lecture, we will discuss about the types of diseases. Okay, non-communicable and communicable disease. So if you like my video, do subscribe it, and thank you.